Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, your phone OS and available storage. Once done, open the official store and search for Tor Browser. Make sure the publisher matches the Tor project. Tap Install and allow requested permissions. Do not grant unrelated system access. While it downloads, review connection options in advance, bridge versus direct, so you know why you might choose one. When the install finishes, open Tor for the first setup step and follow the on-screen prompts to continue. You now configure the connection. Tap Configure if your network restricts traffic and choose a bridge type. OBS4 is common for censored networks, otherwise tap Connect. Make sure you understand the security slider. Standard preserves site features. Safer disables some scripts. Safest blocks more and may break sites. Once connected, Tor will display a success screen, and your browsing session starts within the sandboxed browser. Keep background apps minimized to reduce leaks and avoid logging into sensitive accounts casually. You finish by using Tor the right way. Browse without plugins, avoid downloading unknown files, and prefer HTTPS sites. When a session ends, close all tabs and clear site data to reduce fingerprinting. If you can't connect, first toggle airplane mode and reconnect cellular or Wi-Fi. Next, try using a bridge or switching networks. If that fails, reinstall the app and reconfigure. Remember, privacy depends on behavior. Use Tor for browsing, not for logging into accounts that reveal your identity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.